Welcome back to another video. So you guys wanted this video. You commented down below in the last one, and you said that you wanted to see how we run the garage during coronavirus. So we're going to run through that some steps with you now, just show you exactly the precautions that we've made to obviously protect ourselves and protect our customers at the same time. So before anybody carries on, we've all been around each other the whole time during this. To be honest, we're here actually more than we are at home. So this is kind of like a household, shall we say. So obviously, I hope you enjoyed that little cinematic at the beginning. We're going to go through some bits and bobs that we actually generally do now. Well done, Jack, well done. So Jack's just holding a 3-inch pipe. When somebody comes in with the car, we've got obviously keys, we've got this container. Now obviously we've got gloves, plenty of gloves down here as well. And then, hello. You can just see that in the shot. Ow! We do have some corona wipes down here. This actually does kill coronavirus. Kenneth! Give me a second.
Sorry, boy.
Yeah, you will be. So these actually do kill coronavirus. So we take the wipe itself, we take the key out with the gloves on, we then wipe the key. This is even just general when we're moving cars as well, because obviously at the same time, even though we've been around each other, we don't know who our own work people has been around. So we kind of just clean everything as they go. So for example, if I was to pick a key up with some gloves on, and then put it down, then Jack would pick the key up. Jack would then clean the key as well, so it's constantly clean. Not only that do we just clean the key, we then actually clean the door handles, the steering wheel, and all the little bits that we touch as well on the car, so the customer is then protected at the same time. So during obviously this time as well, the outside the shutter, I'll just show you. Well, you probably saw it this morning actually. Well, on the little cinematic, there's a stop sign down here. So obviously we try and get people to stop and not come into the unit until we're actually ready for it. So we kind of are being able to carry on working, which is good at the same time, because key workers have to get to their workplaces and all that sort of stuff as well. So we have had to get in precautions and make sure that everybody is safe at the same time. So we're going to go through some bits and just show you some other little bits and see how the day goes. We've got a very busy day. Got somebody coming for a exhaust on an S3, so that's going to be fun to fit. Again, we are dealers for Cobra, so we get a lot of Cobra stuff through. We've got the Corsa just being built up now, that's just been forged, that's just being finished off. There's going to be an engine being built up as well at the same time, so sit back, grab a drink and come along with us for this ride. Obviously the coronavirus is a massive outbreak, and it's a very serious situation that the country is actually dealing with, so make sure you guys are staying safe. Again, we are here and we are still providing a service for people, whether it be getting the cars back on the road or anything like that. We are, you know, trying to provide that service for everybody, so just make sure you guys are staying safe. It is very serious. It's a very serious situation that we're in, and I don't think many people are taking it very serious, so please do take it serious. We also as well, while we're here, a lot of people, so hopefully you guys during lockdown can take some inspiration and obviously think about those that have lost people during coronavirus, but also at the same time motivate yourself. So don't get down if you are in lockdown and you are feeling ill. Why don't you use that time to pursue something you always wanted to do? For example, me and Jack, we've been pursuing it for a while. We've had motions in place. We started off from driveways, and now obviously we've got our own place and stuff like that, and it's one of the things where you can actually use this time to proceed, get motivated, write out a plan of everything you want to do, make sure you're going through everything, and make sure that you are going to be where you want to be when this lockdown's finished. Use the time accordingly, and be productive. What's the matter?
Hey?
What's up?
Oh?
What happened?
Waiting for people to come.
yeah, we are branching out into a lot of things, and we are trying to proceed, and we are trying to learn more. Obviously, you can see people are helping us. We've got help now, which is great in it, because we kind of need it. We've got that much work in. It was difficult for us to do a lot of things, so those guys are training up. Those guys, obviously everything's all checked as well at the same time, but they're doing great, aren't they, to be fair? Which means we're expanding. Again, with the previous video of the larger unit, we are looking for a larger unit. That is huge. It's probably for the size we need as well, and anything half that size, we are it's about the same price, isn't it, in all honesty? So anything at 6,000 square foot is the same as the 12,000. Sometimes the business rates are higher as well, which makes no sense. But if that place is going to be still available in a couple of months, I think we're going to go for it, which I think it will be during this time, again, with this virus that's going off. Hence why we're doing this vlog for you guys. So if you haven't already, obviously we do have the Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift replica build as well. If you are new to this video, go and check out the old videos that is coming. We did have a wide body Corsa video, didn't we? Well, wide body Corsa that was doing, but we're not sure what's happening with that just yet, so we are waiting for some things just to be confirmed. Stock take yesterday, so I can't really show you that. We ordered blue roll and stuff that we needed, and everything else as well from Sutton Auto Factors. Again, Sutton Auto Factors, when they're bringing stuff to us in Euro Car Parts, they are taking out the precautions of wearing the gloves and everything else and keeping social distancing when dropping products off. So obviously we wipe all the products as well when they come with the Corona wipes, just to kill anything on there just in case. Even though they're taking the precautions and we're taking the precautions, you've got then minimal risk there involved as well. So enjoy some of these cinematics of this S3 exhaust getting put on by Big Man Jack.
Yay.
And again, if you do want an exhaust from Cobra, hit us up, because we are dealers for them. We get a big discount. I'm pretty sure we can supply the exhaust and fit the exhaust for cheaper than what's on their website. Bet you. So everything has just kind of got really quick, really fast, hasn't it? So the S3's here. The somebody's just dropped a VXR off with a wiring issue on the back of a lorry. We've also got the Corsa E, which you can probably just see here. There we go. That's here for a gearbox oil change. So you're leaking?
Leaking juice.
What are you doing? Oh, we can't show that.
You still keep bleeding.
He's cut himself and you don't know what.
Well, I woke up in the morning with it.
He's been fighting with him, sending him to sleep.
Apparently. It must be quite vicious sometimes.
Customers can wait, but we do make them wait outside. If it is raining, we do let them stand in the shutter way. Again, keeping social distancing and all that sort of stuff.
Your reflection in my wine glass. That's when I look away. Can't stand and think about losing your fine ass. How the fuck I let you slip away? Life for the party, but I'm dead inside. Kill my vibes, it was genocide. Hard to act like I've been alive. I'm trying to find where I identify. One time for the girl that got away. 2 times for the bub I'm about to spray. 3 times for the power that I pray to. Are you up there? Can you hear me? I know I fucked up. It's clear, see. I'm 22, but I don't act like it clearly. And all this shit is a mirage. I'm just rapping for a cause. The life, the fame, the lights, the game. We break the laws, don't like to change. Wanna win you back, but I hate to lose. I know that you're the one, but it's hard to choose. Too much whiskey in my red cup. Remember first day you wouldn't give it up. We had only scratched the surface, but I knew that you were worth it. Yeah. So I was patient. I bragged to my niggas, Joe Namath. I'm still with the niggas that I came with, but everything changed once the fame hit. Make it up, take you down, have a shot, hop out around, play my songs, you like the sound.
Alright, so I got a bunch of bell ends at the window just staring at me right there. But yeah, that shut them up. So they're all stood there, look like staring at me because we're just having a bit of a joke. So obviously, hopefully you guys have saw all the insights to obviously us running the garage during coronavirus, and that's just for them behind me. But yeah, so obviously you guys have hopefully seen that. If you've got any questions, comment down below. It's a little insight. Like I said, all the pieces on the little cinematics was put together because all that stuff was happening at the same time. We're absolutely rammed here at Rusty Autos. Everything's all going down really, really quick. So it's one of them things where I can hear somebody talking like Dobby outside, but it's a bit off-putting. But hopefully you guys enjoyed that. It's so off-putting every fucking time. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. We're always having a laugh here at Rusty Autos, and hopefully as well in them cinematics you can see that teamwork always helps as well. We're always working a team. We never leave things on their own. Obviously I'm behind the camera. I am usually helping as well in between the shots and stuff like that. So we're always doing teamwork and we're always working together to a common goal. So in all honesty, there'll probably be some bigger things for Rusty Autos as well, like I said, in the future, with us looking at bigger places. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. Make sure you subscribe as well for the Fast and Furious project, build with the 350Z. We're probably going to go turbo forge on that as well, and then use the engine in something else and engine swap later on down the line, which we'll come to. The wide body Corsa, come to a bit of a stop with that at the minute, but we'll come to that later on down the line. So hopefully you enjoy them cinematics, and if you preferred this style of recording, then do let us know. You know, it's one of them things where we like to mess about with a few more things. There was a lot of shots in there, so yeah, let's expand Rusty Autos. And obviously let's beat this virus as well at the same time. So stay indoors, guys. If you need anything and you want a garage that you know that does obviously take these precautions, hit us up on Facebook, drop us a message. All stay safe and stay well, and let's save some lives together.